Bitches love the gram.
G35 Infinity. We're doing a little clutch swap. XTD. Where'd you get this clutch at?
Huh?
Where'd you get this clutch at? Okay, we got it from an anonymous seller. Said it was meant for 1,000 horsepower. And now we're gonna take out the tranny. We never done it, but we'll find out how it works. They're struggling. There's about 3 Mexicans under there. I think we can get it done though. It takes about maybe 30 minutes. First step is what, Chewy? What is this thing called?
Checking out the exhaust.
Exhaust, man. How many bolts was there?
Fucking like 8.
About
like
8 bolts or so?
Yeah, it was so disconnected the fucking O2 center side in the back.
Alright, out in the back, so make sure you do that. And make sure you get about 3 other guys to hold it. And
this bitch is heavy.
and you can just stay back and record. After you get down there, make sure you break apart the dashboard. If it's not your car, it's okay, you can rip it. Like in this case, it's not our car. So just pull it up. Oh,
There you go.
and that seems like it broke, but it's okay.
And it's connected to a cable?
Yeah.
Rip the cables out if you can't get them.
Damn, dude, I got some big ass motherfucking fingers right here.
10s up there. We got uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Take those off and then rip that off. Make sure you got a zip tie too to hold it, make it look mint.
Make it look man.
And get your crowbar. Make sure you stick it in real good
There it is.
and you rip it up.
That shit gets stuck all the time for some
that
reason.
piece.
Always.
Yeah, let's get
This
stuck.
just come off.
Yeah, get your mint zip tie off it.
There's another shifter boot right there that we need to remove.
Yeah, but that, we have to go under.
Under there.
We have to go under, Jesus.
Yep. There's more bolts down there that you need to remove in order to take this shift. There's about 3. Don't lose these. These are fucking different.
Just put them.
It's on your regular 10s.
Next, grab your stick and wiggle it. Work with some magic. Put some lube on it, spit on it, and it all comes out.
Use 2 hands.
It ain't black.
It is. The guac guac thing, 300, 2,000, whatever. Ain't working out.
Pepper shake it, sis. Pepper shake it.
Oh.
Not with 1 hand.
We're gonna take the drag shaft off. We got 17 in the back and 17 in the front with the swivel action. Boom, drag shaft comes out. Pull it out. Pull that game good. Didn't even drip nothing. Usually it drip something. I ain't gonna grab it, man. That's all you.
Oh shit! No, no,
Oh no, it's dripping.
We talked too early.
Alright, watch out, cause you might get it all over you. Pro tip: put everything back in the same place. You don't learn that at Chris Fix. You only learn it here. Hey, you almost said that. You almost got me demonetized. Watch your language, mate. Hey, we're almost done. Almost. We just got these 2 parts off. Okay, next part. Take off your, what's it called, man? Your shifty thingy.
I don't know what it's called.
I don't know what it's called. Anyways, it's 12. Put it inside. Oh, when you get the good view, man. There you go. Good angle. Oh, man. You heard that crack? You just busted it.
Daniel, hold the shifter, please.
Hold it with your mouth. Now we wait for Daniel to get up there.
There's a spring on there. Keep it together.
See, that's the spring right there. If we lose it, it'll be Daniel's fault. God, Daniel, watch your language. Also, you're gonna want to drain the oil. We forgot to do that because we was too busy taking the rest apart. Get your breaker bar, or what Scotty Kilman calls it, cheetah bar. And if you're good, he's gonna be able to do it and not get any oil on his hands. But if he sucks, he's gonna get all made a fucking mess.
How fucking fast are you, sis?
Yeah, how fast are you?
That's alright.
Ready?
Ah, you failed. Next part, you're gonna want to take off the throttle bottle intake. That one right there.
And just take off the top platoon of it.
Top one what?
Platoon.
The what?
The top platoon.
Oh, the top platoon, not all of it. Take half of it off, leave the other half in there. But you gotta separate the bolts because they're all different sizes. Don't get them mixed up. And also, There's like one of these. I low-key lost the other one, but they don't know that yet. But, you know, we'll figure that out later. This car. Anyways, we got take off this bracket up here. So let me put these down out the way. There's a bracket in here. You guys see that? This bracket right here is held on by 10s. 2 10s. These 2 10s right here. And then you'll be able to get that bracket off the bell housing. And then if you see that one, see right there where my middle finger is? You kind of see it. Let me try to get a light right there. You can almost see it. That bolt, kind of right there. There's 3 of those around the top. They're 17s, and then you're able to get the bottoms with easy access. Appreciate it. You got the breaker bar on because you can't really fit the gun down there with impact. And you just go by feel. And he just broke a nut right there. How'd it feel?
Like always.
Satisfying. Look at his face.
That's always regret afterwards.
And then boom, he broke it, and now you struggle right there.
Now I'm about to find it again.
These are 17s. 17s. So there's one in the middle and one on that side. That one's easier to get from underneath the car. This top one is easier from the top, and there's another one right here, easier from the top. And then there's one all the way at the bottom that's still a 17. After that, the top bell house bolts are done. He's got bottom ones, which are what, 14s, 15s?
They're 14s.
14s, and they're easier. You know, you'll be able to see those. But these are the hard ones up here to get to. Take the hood off, gives you better access, and you can also chill up there. I ain't trying to bust this first nut over here, but you can't even get it in.
Boy can't even fucking get his first nut.
There you go. Watch the
Damn, shit's hard as fuck, dude.
That's hard nut.
Come on. Come on, boy.
He positioned himself. New positions he's trying out.
Come on, boy.
This is a good idea.
Come on, don't break your finger, though.
Yeah, y'all see your fingers. I'm waiting there.
Damn, nigga, what the fuck?
You help? You bend it.
I bent it. I couldn't get it.
Good right there.
Weak
Put it on.
ass nigga over here.
Look at that.
It's Ricky's turn. Bust that nigga nut. Asuma,
There you go.
I
listen to that shit.
You listen to
whoever's
listen to that shit.
where's a lucky girl?
Are these all done right?
Yeah.
Alright.
You broke this one, didn't you?
No. I broke the ratchet on that one. You got a 14 right here, holding the bell housing on this side of the engine. The engine is up here. That's a tranny.
No.
Why not?
And he got it with his little impact hand. Anyways, you broke a little ratchet. I just got Harbor Freight.
You just barely got it?
I just really got it like a couple hours ago and it already broke. This is big ass sausage finger hands. I'll show you.
Girls love it.
Who loves it?
The girls.
Yeah, I heard it first. The girls love it.
Big hands.
So now
All
we
the way
got
up.
2 jacks right here. A little sketch. But so we're gonna pull down the tranny. We got the master mechanic over here. Stripping bolts. But that's the brace we gotta take off. There's 2 bolts on each side. Same over there. I'm trying to take it off slowly so we don't drop it, even though I can bench it.
Okay, so basically what happened was we couldn't get it out because there was a bolt on top.
Yeah, we forgot about a bolt. Pull bolts off or so, whatever bolts, you know, just kind of on your own. And it'll come right off with the clutch. Right there. Your clutch is right here. That's your flywheel. Pressure plate and clutch came off. That's just hot, and then this is your flywheel up here behind this. Take this one out. I don't even know if that's come off though, but we probably don't. Actually, no, this doesn't come off because we don't have the other part for this. We just have a pressure plate and a clutch in our pack from GoPowersports.com. So we're just done right here. We gotta put it back, get the other clutch and flywheel on here. Clean this off though.
Right now we're putting brake. What's it called?
A boot cock.
Brake cleaner.
Brake cleaner, cleaning all that like this.
Man, I love the smell of that shit.
Right. We got the clutch on right here. You don't want to touch it with some dirty gloves, with some clean gloves on. Don't touch the actual clutch material. Clutch it up here if anything. You got your guide right here. You're gonna need this one, very important. Without it, you're gonna fuck it up. And then your pressure plate, new one if you're using it. Old one, just spray it down. and you're gonna see where your hose line up. I think this one lines up like this. Put a bolt on just to hold it, so it doesn't fall in your face. And I gotta check, make sure it goes in the guides. These are the guides. 2 hours later, we threaded this one because we broke the bolt for the pressure plate, and now we got a new one. Turn around, see your black ass. No, the other way. You're all full of black, dude.
Full of black dick?
Full of black dick he is. 5 hours later, or 10 hours later, we done. 10 out of 10, don't recommend it. Chewy, you recommend doing this job? Hell no, look at him. He is mad. It is about 4 o'clock in the morning, and we started about at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't recommend getting this car or doing this job. Sell a car. And then you got the master mechanic over here chilling in his seat because he don't like working. Anyways, it's all done. That clip you saw of me doing it, we broke a bolt on it and we had to redo everything. Anyways, just put everything back together the same way you took it off. And don't do this. Sell the car. Don't get this car.